I'm rarely this excited about unboxings, but this one caught my attention immediately. This is the Nespresso Atelier, a one-touch system that allows you to make 9 different types of drinks with a simple touch of a button. What makes this machine special is its built-in milk frother, allowing you to make all types of milk-based coffees, even having support for plant-based milk beverages, which we didn't really have that much of before. I was invited to this year and festive season collab brunch between Nespresso and world-renowned pastry chef Pierre Hermé, where I got the chance to try all the special edition festive season flavors, which we'll talk about later in this video. Like I said, since this is just in time for the festive season, I also got a chance to take a look at the limited edition collection that includes 3 of Pierre Hermé's festive season coffees. That includes the Infiniment Espresso, the Infiniment Gourmand, and the Infiniment Fruité, the Pierre Hermé Advent Calendar, and lastly, the Nomad Travel Mug Raspberry Red to match the Infiniment Fruité's raspberry flavor. Now, back to the Atelier. This machine weighs in at just about 4.5 kilograms and has a 1 liter removable water tank. The best way to describe this machine would be smart and compact. I really do like the design on this machine. It's very classic and elegant for any household and doesn't occupy much space. Unlike other Nespresso machines that are capable of making milk-based drinks, there isn't a milk container to store and dispense the milk. Rather, an ingenious solution of only having the frother attachment to the front of the machine that can froth the milk after it's been poured into the cup. What's great is that the frother is also capable of heating up the milk for a hot cup of coffee or even keep it cool for iced beverages. I love that. This makes the cleaning up process a lot easier since it's so easily detachable. Speaking of cleaning, you get an LED at the top. This indicator tells you whether the machine needs cleaning or descaling. As mentioned before, this machine is capable of 9 coffee preparations. You get the ristretto, espresso, lungo, cappuccino, latte, latte macchiato, iced frap, hot and cold milk froth, and mocha. You get 19 bars of pressure with this, which will give you that glorious crema when you're extracting your espresso shot. Now, using this machine is very simple. Touch whatever type of coffee drink you want at the top, and that's it. Consistently great tasting coffee every step of the way. Want a milk-based drink? Simply install the milk frother up front into the machine, fill up your mug with whatever milk you want to the appropriate amount, and watch the magic happen. My favorite drink types with this was the espresso, latte macchiato, and the iced frap. This was also perfect time for me to try out the festive collection flavors. So for the espresso, I extracted the Infiniment Espresso. For the latte macchiato, I extracted the Infiniment Gourmand, and for the iced frappe, I extracted the Infiniment Fruité. And let me tell you, all of these flavors have lovely tastes. The espresso is a single origin coffee from Colombia. You can expect that to be really great, so it has a fruity cereal note. The Gourmand has a very distinct hazelnut flavor with a hint of almond and vanilla. The Fruité has a super smooth cereal aroma paired with beautifully rich raspberry flavors and a great aftertaste. Honestly, that's the main takeaway here. Consistently tasty cups of coffee every single time, whatever type of coffee you like, whether that's black coffee, espresso, ristretto, lungo, all the way up to lattes and macchiatos and iced macchiatos. All of that is possible with just one machine. Absolutely love it. For me, honestly, the main thing is gonna be that detachable frother that even warms up your milk or cools it down for whatever type of coffee you wanna make without having to have a milk container, really reducing that size. Amazing choice. Rounding out the festive collection in this season's advent calendars containing 24 coffees and a surprise gift at the last day. The giftable advent calendar contains 3 co-created Nespresso Pierre Hermé coffees. Lastly, of course, we can't forget about the Nomad Travel Mug in raspberry color, giving the ability to take your flavors and whatever type of coffee you make wherever you go, anywhere, anytime. Honestly, I really love the convenience of this machine. The size and the compactness of it alone is a very desirable feature for me. So many different recipes to try from, whether you want to do lattes, cappuccinos, flat whites, all of that's possible with just this one machine. Now, if you'll excuse me, it's time for me to make an iced drink for myself because I'm thirsty. I'll see you guys again in the next one. Until then,